How to clean your distributor points. I've removed a set of points to have a little better visibility here. Start with about 350 sandpaper. Cut a piece like so. Fold it in half. And have at your ready a piece of notebook paper, or even a little thicker is fine. With the points open, you want to move the sandpaper in this direction, not this direction, but this direction, and back and forth. Now, you've cleaned off some of the burned parts of the points, but you do not want to just pull this sandpaper out, because then the points will snap closed and embed the grit into the surface of the points. That defeats the cleaning. So you open the points and remove. Then put in a piece of paper, close the points, and pull the paper through. But again, do not just pull it out. You want to open the points and remove. And as you can see, we've got a little bit of grit that is now removed.